लेकिन जो पैसा कमाने वाली पिक्चर है वो है, क्योंकि भाई पैसा वाला यहाँ खड़ा है। ये खलनायक की जर्नी बहुत लंबी जर्नी है।
Here we go. Ma'am, that was huge. And what a surprise that was for all of us. Just one thing before I invite all of them on stage. ये क्या था? I want you to just say it and how did it all happen? You know, you have to spill the beans. Please थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें. खलनायक returns with Aspect Entertainment. You know, you have to talk about it. मान्यता मैम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Sanjay sir, the OG superstar, is here, and of course, you know, we have to talk about this boss lady here. Usually, our producers, you know, they say कि हमें box office से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, लेकिन पहली बार हो रहा है कि box office बोलता है मुझे ज्योति देशपांडे और जियो स्टूडियोज से डर लगता है. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Consecutively, 24. स्त्री की बात करूं अगर मैं 25 धुरंधर एंड देन धुरंधर 2. मैम यू हैव किल्ड इट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. एंड सबसे कमाल की चीज ये है कि अभी धुरंधर 1 और 2 में हम खलनायक को देखने वाले हैं और अभी राजा शिवाजी आने वाली है, ऑफ कोर्स महाराज के ऊपर ये फिल्म, उसमें भी हम खलनायक को देखने वाले हैं. गिव इट अप फॉर देम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. वाओ, व्हाट अ कोलैबोरेशन. मैम, I want you to talk about it. सबसे पहले we'll start with you.
So we started with this because Khalnayak emotion. It is you can't define it as just a film. You know, मतलब like it is iconic and now, and there couldn't have been a better than this.
Baba, we have to talk to you, of course. And you know, it's a legacy. ये सिर्फ एक फिल्म नहीं, but you've given it to you know, you've given the mauka, I would say, to Aspect Entertainment and of course Jio Studios to present this. What was the idea behind this? Talk to us about it, please.
नमस्कार, good evening.
Oh,
Thank you for being here tonight. अभी मैं एस्पेक्ट तो नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन मैं बोलूँगा कि अक्षा मेरी बहन है और इसके बच्चे मेरे बच्चे हैं, हमारे बच्चे हैं, और हमारा रिश्ता बहुत 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 दूर तक जाता है. और you know, just collaborating with Aspect is something like doing something with family, and I'm the most happy and the most proud that we've come together and we make some great movies together. लेकिन जो पैसा कमाने वाली पिक्चर है वो है, क्योंकि भाई पैसा वाला यहाँ खड़ा है. And you know, we are also, I think, very happy that Jyoti is there with us and Jio Studios is there. Thank you, Jyoti. And after Dhurandhar, तो अभी क्या बोले. And lastly, I just want to say is that ये खलनायक की जर्नी बहुत लंबी जर्नी है, and without Subhash ji, it is not possible. And Subhash ji is a legend. He's a man of entertainment, and you know, I mean, I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful that Subhash ji gave me this honor to make खलनायक again. Thank you, sir. And I'm waiting for you. पता नहीं कहाँ गए. And you know, he's gonna be a part of this खलनायक also for sure. And lastly, I just want to say one thing is that I want to thank my wife, Manyata, that for always being the strength in my life. And जब भी मैं गिरता हूँ तो एक हाथ है मेरा कॉलर पकड़ने वाला. And can I give it to Jyoti?
yes, of course. Jyoti ma'am, जैसा मैंने कहा, बॉक्स ऑफिस आपके नाम से थर-थर कांप रहा है. You know, that is what is happening, and congratulations. एक बार मैम के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Of course, for Jio Studios, now you're coming together with this amazing team. Aksha ma'am, Aspect Entertainment, Manyata ma'am, Sanju sir, of course, 3 Dimension. What would you like to say about this new phase of this collaboration? Please बताइए थोड़ा.
आई थिंक सबसे पहले ये बोलना बनता है कि मैं इसलिए नहीं बना रही हूँ क्योंकि इसमें इनमें से कोई भी मेरा फैमिली है.
That's Jyoti Deshpande for you, ladies and gentlemen. You said it, yeah.
Because they left me out of that, that family huddle. तो मैं
मैंने बदला ले लिया.
छेड़ रही हूँ. नहीं, I'm looking forward to this collaboration. Sanju and I don't know, my entire career, because I'm in this industry for the last 33 years.
Right.
And पहले हम overseas करते थे, तो almost all his films I've released in the overseas, and I don't know, endless movies we have worked together. And what I find very special, I know Aksa, and I've met her a few times, and I'm amazed by her passion and her creativity and her clarity of thought, and it's already a business family to reckon with, and I think she'll bring her own creativity to this venture. So I'm very excited to collaborate with Aspect as well. But let me just talk about this film.
Please.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे जो आज धुरंधर ने किया है, where it became part of popular culture. पैसे की बात नहीं है, ब्लॉकबस्टर और रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने की बात नहीं है, but the fact that लोग उसके बारे में बात करना बंद नहीं
कर रहे. Exactly.
So that's what's called becoming part of popular culture. You can't escape it.
Yeah.
And that is what Khalnayak did in 1993.
Indeed.
It was a path-breaking, era-defining, genre-defining film, way ahead of its time. People were shocked. People couldn't. And क्या हो गया? इसके dialogues देखो, इसकी acting देखो, ये गाने देखो. Peak detailing. जो अगर हम बात करें, so 1993 में Khalnayak became the film जिसकी peak detailing people are taking out, and each aspect of the film was left in time for generations to enjoy. So I think it's my absolute privilege to be part of this film and to give it a new tadka, a new life.
Lovely. The three words, उनकी पूरी बातचीत से जो कि मेरे जहन में घुस गए हैं, that is peak detailing, जो कि और वो जब शुरुआती होती है, where we get to hear ra ra ri ri, आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? Seeing Baba in that avatar once again.
I'm getting goosebumps right now. I think this is the film Sanju's been waiting for part 2 for a while, and through the highs and lows that he's gone through. I mean, something that has kept him sailing is the adulation of the people. But for an actor, all actors, they always want something that has just set them up as an iconic character. And this is an iconic character, and he always wanted this film to be made. I think from ages, and I think Aksha, me, Mohit, we've been discussing about this film. I think it's been over a decade now that we should be making this film in the kitchen of my house, just sitting, having few drinks, chilling, cooking, eating, and we would just be discussing. And it's a passion between two brothers. He wanted this film to be made. Mohit wanted this film to be made. Mohit is like a big hardcore Khalnayak fan. He wanted this film to be made. So they decided that one day I will make this film. And that is how I think the first production that is coming out of Aspect is Khalnayak. Because I think one of the reason Aspect is here today is because Khalnayak had to be made between the two brothers. And we have thought over it over and over again, Aksha. And I just was a bit emotional because when you see there's a dream that you saw, or there's something that you wish for, and when you see it in reality, when you see that first frame that came, I really had tears run down. And I'm very grateful and thankful to everybody associated, including Jyoti, of course, Subhash Uncle, Aksha, Mohit, and of course, Baba is there. But yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, would like to thank the entire team on behalf of all the cine lovers across the world and those who love Indian cinema, because ये वो चीज है जिसका इंतजार हम भी कर रहे थे किचन से लेके हर जगह तक. We were talking about this कि कब आएगी आखिर खलनायक 2, and here it is. So इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Would like to invite on stage someone very special, ladies and gentlemen. He's the CEO of Aspect Entertainment, Abhishek Sharma ji के लिए जोरदार तालियां. So please, thank you so much for doing this. Okay, and we also have something very special for you. इस teaser के अलावा कुछ और भी है जो unveil करने वाले हैं हम आप सबके सामने. So are we all set for that? We are, right? Sir said it. Sir said it. I'll come back to you, of course, because we need to talk. Can we get the posters? उन्होंने डांट दिया है मुझे because we have another, guest who's going to be here in some time. Abhishek sir, this is for you. As I said, being a part of this team, I'm sure it's a privilege because just तरह से everybody's talking about it, वो दिख रहा है, we can see that twinkle in their eyes. What would you like to say, sir?
For Khalnaik is a trendsetter of anti-heroism.
Right.
Everyone was worshipping heroes. At
Right.
that point of time, Sanjay Baba has come in the field or on the film, and then he changed the world. Also.
Yes.
So that was a generation, and we all in that generation only where we loved Baba for that role. लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊं कि ये जो टीजर शूट हुआ है इसके पीछे की छोटी सी कहानी को बताता हूं. Baba was on set for 8 to 9 hours just for this teaser. So you understand he gave his 9 to 10 hours, and then you understand 8 hours on the set to 2 hours of makeup, and that day it was like a very hot day. So you understand the commitment of Baba for this. This film is set apart for all of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us one of the biggest directors of Indian cinema. We have the Asli showman of Indian cinema. Give it up for Subhash Ghai Saab, ladies and gentlemen. Now this is what you call a picture perfect moment, ladies and gentlemen. The man who gave us that peak detailing se full film. Subhash sir, thank you so much for being here. It's so good to see you. Jyoti ma'am was just talking about the fact that nowadays we talk about peak detailing with Dhurandhar, but you did it back then with Baba and the entire team of Khalnaik. What would you like to say, sir? You've just seen the teaser, by the way.
He is born as a Dhurandhar actor.
Whoa! Sir?
I know him since childhood.
Right.
You see, it is a great moment. I'm so happy today, I can't tell you. Because it was the inner wish, genuine inner wish or passion hota na, Manyata and Sanju. सर ये पिक्चर तो बनानी है आज से नहीं कितने बार am I right? All credit goes to Bhavita and Sanju. We have this when a filmmaker says now I have to make this, then it becomes famous.
Wow.
I'm so happy. मोहित जी कहाँ हैं? मोहित जी की तबीयत थोड़ी नासाज हुई. आप हैं, काफी हैं. उनका भी बहुत शुक्रिया कि उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया है. और इस प्रोजेक्ट को सपोर्ट करने में आई एम वेरी श्योर विद हिज ब्लेसिंग्स एंड योर ब्लेसिंग्स दिस पिक्चर इज गोइंग टू बी कंप्लीटेड in time and with a full passion and with full force. And I can assure you today, it is going to be better than ever.
Coming from Subhash, sir, first means a lot.
थोड़ा सा आ सुभाष जी के साथ मैंने काफी सारी फिल्में की है. ताल हर पिक्चर में एक सीन में आ जाते हैं, तो ये पिक्चर में भी पीक डिटेलिंग में आप ढूंढना एक सीन में होंगे वो.
आजकल मैं कैमियो का बहुत प्राइस लेता हूँ. क्योंकि कैमियोन भी एक जो है अपने आप में ब्रांड बन गया है और जैसे ही हम ब्रांड बन जाते हैं तो हमारी प्राइस जो है एनीवे absolutely my pleasure to be with him in any kind of part of the creativity, music and whatever, whenever he wants me. See, I'm there always day and night. Let's fight. Thank you very much for all your blessings and being here. I'm very happy that today Karnataka returns means with a bang. And congratulations to Manyata, Akshaji, Sanjay Dutt, and the whole team. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And sorry मैं थोड़ा लेट हुआ, मैं नहीं लेट हुआ, ट्रैफिक लेट हुआ. Thank you.
And getting Subhash sir की blessings on this movie, I think इससे बड़ा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. तो सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Thank you. And मैं आप सबसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि just step aside because वो teaser जो है ना सर अभी से request आ रही है कि उसको वापस चला दो. अक्षा मैम, we are getting a lot of requests already. Yes. Okay, we're playing the teaser one more time, ladies and gentlemen, of course. Talia, please. Acha ma'am, please आइए मंच पर. मान्यता मैम, मान्यता मैम, please. Jyoti ma'am, would it, of course, okay. And Subhash Ghai Saab, ladies and gentlemen. So we have these most beautiful posters that would be unveiled now. Abhishek sir, please, manch par aaiye, of course. And iske liye I would request Manyata ma'am, kindly do the honors, ma'am. We want you to do this, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, it's 3, 2, 1, here we go. Now this is phenomenal, ladies and gentlemen. This is huge. Yeah, I'm loving this moment. आगे बढ़ने को जी नहीं चाह रहा है. इस पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Wow, simply wow. And just one thing, I think it would be fair if I ask Subhash sir to say a few words now after watching that teaser, sir, because मुझे चाहिए कि
It has teased my creativity. It has teased my status. It has teased me to be inspired to be director again.
wow, wow, wow.
And I'm sure with Sanju having so much passion for the film, now you see the trailer. You see his look, his characterization within himself. अभी तक वो भूला नहीं है. This is super. There is a child, a Khalnaik. You see how I kept the title Khalnaik. I must tell you a small story. Because Khalnaik title was not welcomed by my distributors. Why? यार बड़ा उपन्यास टाइप का है. But what I thought, original thought, कि जो खलनायक होता है, विलन होता है, if we look from our perspective, from dramatist point of view, he is a tragic hero. He is a rich guy, he's a handsome guy, he's a powerful guy, but a poor boy gets the girl and he loses it. Right? तो प्रैक्टिकली जो विलन होता है, सब कुछ उसकी शिद्दत एक ही होती है कि एक चीज को पाना है. आप देखिए कि उसके अंदर कितनी बड़ा दर्द होगा. सोचता था बंदा खलनायक has this character, the pain him, And that is why when he talks weird, when he talks off the mark, there is a pain in him.
Wow.
And you can see in the climax of the film, and I'm sure this film is going to be much better than Khalnaik. What will be? But yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I just want that. Can you get that poster just for Subhaji? वो दूसरा वाला हंसने वाला.
बाबा एक क्विक चीज अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, ऑफ कोर्स सुभाष सर यहाँ पे यू नो अगेन डीओजी डायरेक्टर, आपके लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है हिम प्रेजिंग दिस एंड द वे ही इज प्रेजिंग इट, ही इज सुपर इमोशनल टुडे.
You know, for me, that Subhaji is praising this. I mean, that means I'm on the right track.
वाओ.
I mean, with his blessings, with my parents' blessings, you know, that means ये हम लोग सही रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं. I mean, what Subhaji, मेरे को याद था ना, ये नहीं, वो सब याद था. But Subhaji is one of the, I think, greatest directors I've worked with. मतलब वो बोलते थे तू यहाँ खड़े हो जा, हाँ ट्रॉली आगे ट्रॉली पीछे, अच्छा खड़े राइट में देख लेफ्ट, तो वो बोला फिगर मत कर, तू पिक्चर में देख लेना. Now he had the edit in his mind. You know, he knew where to put what. I mean, I love you and I've learned so much from you. Thank you, sir.
वाओ. व्हाट एन इवनिंग.
सर एक पोस्टर यहाँ दिखाया नहीं, लेकिन वो सिर्फ आप ही के लिए है सर. और आपने बल्लू के बारे में बोला, बच्चा है एंड मैडनेस है. दिस इज द पोस्ट.
This is exactly what happens when passionate people meet and they make a movie, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, हम सब ये witness कर रहे हैं. It's a big, big, big evening for all of us. इस पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much. Loving the posters. We loved the teaser. मजा आया ना पीछे?
Look at the intensity in his eyes. एक ही आंख है, बहुत है, 200 आंखों के बराबर है. What a beautiful picture. Very nice. Sir, next picture में तो चांस मिलेगा ना?
हमने कैमरा फ्री करना.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We'll quickly, set the stage up for a quick question answers, right? We'll do that. We'll do a picture and then request all of you to kindly pose for a picture. We'll do a quick picture.
ओ चाचा फ्रेम में आ रहे अरे निकाल दो फोटो बस बनती है। पहले कंग्रेचुलेशन तो धुरंधर की अपार सक्सेस के लिए पूरी टीम को। सेकंड कंग्रेचुलेशन एंड बिग सरप्राइज जो हमने आज देखा खलनायक रिटर्न। बाबा मेरा सवाल आपसे, 93 में फिल्म रिलीज हुई, सबसे पहले कब वो इच्छा हुई कि बल्लू बलराम की जो कहानी है वो आगे बढ़ सकती है, सीक्वल का जो एक थॉट आता है आपके दिमाग में कब आया था? और कभी ऐसा हुआ कि इच्छाएं हमने थोड़ी दबाने की कोशिश की कि यार एक बहुत बड़ी लेगेसी है, हम उसके साथ खेले नहीं, इट्स बेटर जब तक हमें स्टोरी न मिले, ऐसे हुआ था कभी?
भाजी नमस्कार किया ना थोड़ा।
बस बढ़िया सर, सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल। एक्चुअली ये थॉट मुझे जेल में आया था। मैं वहाँ जेल में गाने बजाता था तो बार बार फरमाइश सिर्फ खलनायक की होती थी। तो मैंने बोला कि ये खलनायक अगर फिर से बनाए तो कौन देखना चाहेगा। तो 4000 कैदियों में से सब ने बोला हम देखेंगे। तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, अगर आपको इतना शौक है तो एक एक पेज लिख के भेजना। मुझे टाइम लगा 4000 पेज पढ़ने में, लेकिन मुझे एक थॉट अच्छा लगा उसमें। तो मैंने सर को फोन किया, मैं पेरोल पे आया, मैंने सर को बोला सर प्लीज यहाँ आइए। हाँ, और फिर मैंने सर को थोड़ा बहुत सुनाया। दैट्स हाउ आई मीन सुभाष जी गॉट ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड कि यार बननी चाहिए। ऐसी भाई
थैंक यू सर, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड।
He wrote a small letter from the jail. Subhash ji, अगर मैं आज इतना जी रहा हूँ और 80 से ज्यादा जी रहा हूँ, बिकॉज जब मैं सुनता हूँ कि खलनायक खलनायक चारों तरफ है, और मैं आपको एक ऑडियो बना के भेजता हूँ, और इन्होंने ट्रेलर बना के भेजा मुझे खुद की वॉइस के अंदर। आई रिमेम्बर दैट इज स्टिल विद मी, एंड आई सेड कि दिस got the passion of a man for the character, and we must make it till the end of our life. We see that, and that's why you will see the passion.
Subhashi, will you be directing it, or what kind of association you will have with the film? किस तरह का एसोसिएशन आप डायरेक्ट करने वाले हो क्या?
ये तो आप प्रोड्यूसर से पूछ।
प्रोड्यूसर साहब जवाब दीजिए।
Without the blessings of Subhash Ghai ji. He is the mentor, he is the guiding force, he is everything for us for this Khalnaik. So, and nothing is possible without Subhash Ghai ji.
You see, you cannot ask Sunil Gavaskar to play Virat. Sunil Gavaskar is Sunil Gavaskar. हर की एक स्टेज होती है, लेकिन तमन्नाएं और उत्साह और पैशन उतना ही होता है। तो मैंने सबसे पहले इसको का यही कहा कि यू शुड हैव ए गुड डायरेक्टर। हम जितने मदद राइटिंग में, म्यूजिक में तुम्हारे कर सकते हैं, वी आर देयर, और होल टीम इज विद यू, एंड एंटायर एटमॉस्फेयर, हम इकोसिस्टम हम आपको देंगे। यू हैव ए बिग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम here. So don't worry. So that is why he has taken over this responsibility to produce the film, a responsible film. And I can tell you, I will be always with him whenever he needs me, any stage.
Anita, how many times have you watched Khalnaik?
Many times. In fact, this morning when Sanju showed me a little bit, he didn't want me to see the teaser. He showed me a little bit, and I told him tonight let's watch Khalnaik again, and he's like, yeah. So it is one of my favorite movies of Sanju. I was just telling Subhash uncle that ये जो film जब release हुई थी, I think Sanju was going through a very bad phase of life. He was, it was during his incarceration when he was in. And this story not only, of course, as an actor, it's fantastic, but it also talks about him in reality as somebody who's so soft-hearted, somebody who is just actually a Khanayak. It's his story, somebody who got trapped into a situation, a mistake, or whatever. So this film is so close to him, and even before we decided of making this film, or that whole thought came, it was multiple times he would discuss, Mama, this film, because sorry, he calls me Mama. He's like, Mama, this film,
you know, when I came back, I felt, I don't know, after the jail, how would people, how would the audience take me? But this film put it out there as if this film was just made to narrate his part of life. It was just out there, and it of course, it just became an iconic film. So this film is very important part of a journey of our life, his career, and yes, I've seen it many, many, many times.
Hello. My question is to Subhashi. Subhashi, Raju Vijayakar here. Khalnayak was the first album which was actually sold in the black market. You know, it was so popular. So, what
I
is
didn't make money. I didn't make money.
so what will be your contribution to the music? How will you design? How do you plan to design the whole score of this?
This movie, you're
Yes.
talking about the previous one.
No, this one.
This movie, you see, every music of every motion picture carries its own soul, its own vibrancy of sound, its own responsibility of sound. So I'm very sure कि जो एक दो गाने हैं वो तो उसमें रहेंगे, जैसे उन्होंने अभी थीम सॉन्ग बनाया ये किया, इसके जो they have to produce better songs, better than this, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ गई है. लोग कंपेयर करेंगे, राजीव जी फोन करेंगे, नहीं आपको पूछा था उस दिन, तो उस दिन कहा तो आप ऐसे बता देते, है ना? तो डोंट वरी, वी विल लीव नो स्टोन अनटर्न if we don't have a great music in it.
Hello, sir, myself Poonam. This question is to Baba. Sir, here. Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
From Bollywood Themes Media Channel. So, when you were in the jail, so when you were there in the jail, so no work in the jail, so lot of fears and lot of thoughts maybe coming to your mind. So that time also you were doing lot of activities. That means you are so creative. That's a good thing. So how you that time also you may be feeling that sensation that कब यहाँ से जल्दी निकलूँ बाहर और I try to come on the film on the screen and rock and do my best. You may be feeling that time that when you were inside. So can you express some?
हाँ जी, 100% कौन जेल में रहना चाहता है? I felt that many times, लेकिन एक हवलदार ने मेरे पास आके बोला संजू बाबा, जिस दिन तू उम्मीद करना छोड़ देगा तुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कि जेल का टाइम कैसे कट गया. तो मैंने बोला क्या मजाक कर रहा है? बोला आप ट्राई करो, स्टॉप होपिंग कि आई होप ये हो जाए, होप हो जाए, कब निकलूंगा. मुझे दिक्कत हुई लेकिन मैंने कोशिश की, और जब मैंने उम्मीद करना छोड़ दिया मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि जेल कब गए.
Sanjay sir, this is Jogender to teacher. क्वेश्चन ये है, खलनायक जब आई थी उसकी खासियत सबसे अच्छी ये थी कि वो बहुत ही इंडियन ट्रेडिशन से भी रूटेड थी, बहुत देसी पिक्चर थी वो. उस टाइम में भी जब लोग थोड़े एनआरआई टाइप की पिक्चरें बनाने लग गए थे, आपकी बहुत देसी. Is that the same rustic feel, old school charm that we can expect this time around?
It has to be that way. I mean, you can't, you have to make it rustic. You have to have emotions. You have to have the songs. You have to have, I mean, it has to be made like खलनायक is made. You know, I mean, हम लोग को वो नहीं चाहिए, मतलब वो. You know what I'm trying to say? I don't know. So I think 110%. If you can't make it rustic like how Khalnayak was, I think it's better not to make Khalnayak.
Please make it that way. That will be wonderful.
100%. I promise you it's going to be.
Thank you.
And then the जो छोटा जो आपने देखा, I didn't feel it.
आइडिया मिल रहा था, बिल्कुल.
सुभाष जी इधर जब आप खलनायक बना रहे थे तो आपने संजय जी को कैसे बल्लू के कैरेक्टर में सोचा था?
संजू के साथ मैंने पहली फिल्म इसकी की थी विधाता, अगर आपको याद हो, and he played a grandson of Mr. Dilip Kumar. and he was pushed to acting by his father, family. कि जाओ एक्टर बनो. बिल्कुल काहे को मैं करूं? मैं तो मोटरसाइकिल चला रहा हूं मैं. So very interesting story. He was enjoying life, you see. And then he said, this kind of work, actor has to work so much. I thought कि यार नहीं होता है. लेकिन जब उसने देखा कि भाई ये तो उस वक्त मैं इसको जानता था जब you were hardly 20 years old. And I could see that I used to smile at him. ये फंस गया बेचारा. लेकिन कैसे भी करके उसने दिलीप साहब के साथ करा. दिलीप साहब को देखा कि यार ये तो बड़ा ही सीरियस मामला है. पर वो पिक्चर तो चली, सिल्वर जुबली हुई, पर बाद में उसको आस्ता आस्ता रियलाइज हुआ I have to take this career very seriously. And he really started learning the potential of actor from there. And I could see his other films. तो मैंने उसके बाद 5-7 साल तो मैं दूसरी पिक्चर बना रहा था. I could see his progress from film to film, from Sadak and from Sajan and all. मैंने बोला यार अब ये सीरियस एक्टर बन गया है. तो मैंने जब खलनायक पिक्चर लिखी तो ये बात इंडस्ट्री में फैली. बहुत से स्टार्स लोग मेरे पास आए गए भाई कि हमको खलनायक करनी है. मैंने बोला सब खलनायक मैं सोच के बैठा हूँ, पहले मुझसे बात कर लूँ. और मैंने संजू को बुलाया और संजू को मैंने कहानी सुनाई. एंड ही सेड कि सर आई ट्रस्ट यू, आई विल डू दिस.
बोल रहे हैं सर एक चीज, कहानी नहीं सुनाई आपने. आपने बोला ये करनी है तुझे बस.
नहीं सुनाई थी.
क्या सुनी?
आजकल तो स्टूडियो वाले भी स्क्रिप्ट मांगते हैं इतना लंबा. उनकी टीम मांगती है पूरा स्क्रिप्ट दो, फिर उसके बाद वो क्रिएटिव पेंसिल से उसको भेजते रहते हैं. आप देखिए इतने ऐसे एक्टर थे जिनको हमने कभी कहानी नहीं सुनाई, नहीं सुना था, कभी स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं दिया था. पैसे को उनको विश्वास था ये जिंदगी है. जस्ट फिल्म मेकर की जब जिंदगी बन जाती है तो उसमें पैसे की क्या बात है. पैसे की तरफ तो मैंने कभी देखा नहीं. हर फिल्म में जो 15-16 फिल्में बनाई वो जिंदगी थी. हमारे लिए ऐसा था कि ये फिल्म क्लाइंट जो है हमारे ऑडियंस है, हॉल है, वो हॉल तक जो असर करेगी. सब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर भी खुश होंगे, इन्वेस्टर भी खुश होंगे. मैं इन्वेस्टर को खुश करने के लिए गलत फिल्म बना के ऑडियंस को नाराज कर दूं, सही नहीं. तो एक विश्वास म्यूचुअल बहुत था. तो अगर मैंने कहानी नहीं सुनाई और इन्होंने हाँ की, इसका मतलब कितना बड़ा विश्वास होगा उनको. और हम लोगों ने मिलकर. और मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं कि उसके बाद जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया तो मैंने इसको बोला कि अभी 10 बजे तक शुरू चलती थी हमारी. तो कभी कभी कहता था 10 बज गए, अभी तुम जाओ, थक गए होगे. कहता नहीं सर ये सीन पूरा करके जाएंगे. और 2-2, 2:30 बजे तक ये काम करता था लोग. कैन यू बीट दिस खलनायक के अंदर. एंड आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड एंड टेकन शॉक. ये वही है जो विधाता में काम कर रहा था, उसको पकड़ना पड़ता था. बच्चे आ जाए इधर ये कैमरे के सामने आ जाए. इतना चेंज मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. एंड अगर उसकी परफॉर्मेंस का पूरा श्रेय है उसमें 30 मैं लूंगा, 70% इसका होगा. प्लीज.
बाबा यहाँ पर सामने आपको. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि इस बार बल्लू को प्ले करने का प्रेशर किस तरीके का, क्योंकि बहुत ही आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर रहा है, तो उसको प्ले करने का दबाव है इस बार.
देखिए मैं प्रेशर में काम नहीं करता. जब सेट पे आऊंगा, मेन चीज मैं आपसे एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि स्क्रिप्ट कैसी होगी वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है. और उस पर भले वो 6 महीने लगे, 8 महीने लगे, विद सुभाष जी कंसेंट, मैं इनको भी तंग करूंगा, मैं हर जगह जाऊंगा, म्यूजिक के लिए भी तंग करूंगा. लेकिन द हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म इज द स्क्रिप्ट बेसिकली. एंड जब तक वो स्क्रिप्ट वो लेवल की नहीं होगी तब तक आई थिंक हम लोग फ्लोर्स पे ही नहीं जाएंगे. और जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं प्रेशर में काम ही नहीं करता, सेट पे जाके देखी जाएगी.
और रोमांस भी आराम से कर लेता है और मर्डर भी आराम से कर लेता है. अरे मैं बोला कुछ तो चेंज करो यार. ये तो सर आपने बोला मर्डर किया, मैंने कर दिया. आपने बोला रोमांटिक को, तो मैंने कर दिया. तो ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिलैक्स एक्टर इन डायरेक्टर मीट्स. वो आपके ऊपर इतनी जिम्मेदारी छोड़ देता है कि आपको परेशान कर देता है कि यार मुझे तो करना पड़ेगा, because he has a personality, he is an actor, and he wants to do something good. God bless you, Sanjay.
So just I have a question for you. We're glad we got to watch Khalnayak 2. The two other characters of yours that have been iconic for us is Raghu from Vastav and Munna Bhai. Will we ever get to see Vastav 2 and Munna Bhai again?
वास्तव we are working on, and मुन्ना भाई, I think आपको राजू ईरानी से पूछना पड़ेगा. राजू, please make मुन्ना भाई again.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much, all of you.
Hello, Sanjay, Lipika here, Lipika Verma. You know, right from Khalnayak then and now, I would like to know, all of us would like to know, how much has Sanju involved?
संजू शांत हो गया है. Evolved, I can't talk about myself, but I mean, I think I'm matured in life. I think I've become more mature actor, more mature in just general life. That's all.
Monica, would you like to add something to what Sanjay said? Since you've been there with him as partner.
I think he's become a great father. He sees life through a different angle now. His perspective towards life has changed after having children. I mean, I think he's just changed in many ways. I feel he's mellowed down, he's sobered down, bit of aggression is less. Yeah, I think he's matured enough in many, many ways. He is a changed person. I think Subhash Uncle will also second that because he has so many stories. In fact, yesterday he was telling me something and he's saying, Bada badmash hai. So, yeah, I think, he has changed a lot and he's changed for better.
Thank you.
I want to add an aspect to this. See, I get to work with him in so many films. Now I've just done 2 editions of Dhurandhar. I've done Raja Shivaji, he's playing Afzal Khan. While they're all sort of giving the personal aspects of him, I can say professionally, when he turns up on set, from all those years ago to now, I think he's more in character. He totally becomes the character now. He's having fun with the roles that he's taking on. And that's the biggest change that I see in him. He's got the swag of Sanju Baba, but he's totally goes into the character.
I have a question for Jyoti ji. Because Jyoti Deshpande has become one of the top producer of the day. You see, and I would like to ask you one thing, that you have given so many hits now. You are an established producer. Every actor, every director, production house would like to work with you. What made you excited to become Khalnayak and support the film?
And I think Jesse Dhurandhar became an era-defining film just now, and it's sort of not just for the box office, but for the impact that it generated. I think Khalnayak did exactly that in 1993. It broke the format on all the rules that are written on paper. When you greenlight a film, Khalnayak broke it. I love that about it. So I'm very excited to take on the challenge, a very big challenge of taking this forward. And I know that everybody that's जो ये फिल्म के साथ जुड़े हैं, all the people attached to this film are extremely passionate. Nobody is doing it for paisa, power, glory. everybody who's attached to it is doing it because they think it's exciting to do something era defining again. So I will never miss out on such an opportunity. It's my privilege to be part of this.
You see, she is talking about the challenge, but she's scaring us. बेटा तुम लोग काम करते हो तो मैं चैलेंज तो आप लोगों का है, मेरा तो क्या है, मैं तो आपको सपोर्ट कर लूंगा, ठीक है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और हमको चाहिए पंपिंग के लिए लोग हिट बनने चाहिए, थोड़े थोड़े से जो हमको कहते रहे कि सोचो कल नायक बनाई थी, क्या बनाओगे बेटा ऐसा। Thank you. And she is very inspiring lady for any good director, good producer. And thank you very much for all of you. I hope this interaction session is over unless you go into gossip.
Jyoti ma'am, out here on your left. Yeah, so I got to know, you are known as a box office queen now because you have given 2 big hits, and as you said, part 1 was also a huge hit of this movie. क्या hopes है आपकी part 2 का box office?
कोई अगर नहीं चली तो ऊपर से नीचे नहीं गिरा देना भाई। ऑफ कोर्स आई मीन कोई भी उठ के ये नहीं सोचता है कि चलो आज खराब पिक्चर बना दें। हर बंदा जब पिक्चर बनाते हैं हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं एंड every film that we put our blood, sweat and tears in, we think that it's going to be the best film that we have ever made. But for Khalnayak, you sit down, you do brainstorming sessions for many films, but this already feels different because what kind of ideas, our minds are buzzing with. The last brainstorm session we had, I think कुछ बहुत हटके करेंगे, but ये पिक्चर की जो मूड है, जो ग्रामर है, जो टेक्सचर है, उसको पकड़ के रखेंगे. And I think we have to be very honest to what the original Khalnayak is, and not try to make it modern day Khalnayak just for the sake of it. So one thing that we know is that we are going to be very honest to the original Khalnayak. बाकी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, all cards are open.
Thank you so much. ज्योति जी एक पूछना मुझे आपसे, यहाँ पर ज्योति जी यहाँ on your left, on your left. ज्योति आपकी यादें क्या है खलनायक के? When was the first time you watched खलनायक और यादें क्या रही हैं? Because हमने देखा है लाडला में भी कोई रेफरेंस था जहाँ पे ब्लैक पे टिकटें बिक रही है, लोग एक दूसरे चढ़ के जा रहे हैं to get a ticket of खलनायक. आपकी क्या याद है?
I was 23 years old. It was the year of my wedding. मतलब उस साल मैं शादी हो रही थी, and I remember watching it in Gaiety. मैं Gaiety गई थी, and it was like नहीं जा सकते हैं और वहाँ आदमी लोग हैं, लड़कियां ही नहीं है, और मुझे पता है मैं घर में झूठ बोल के मैं गई थी. मेरा फियांसी भी बहुत पॉजेसिव था, मैं झूठ बोल के खलनायक देख के आई.
आप हो रहे हैं, झूठ हो रहे हैं, वो खलनायक.
All right, ladies and
This
gentlemen.
question, yeah. That's again.
I know. Lot of excitement.
Sir, this question is for you. We want to know who will play the lead, a female lead in the film, and if we see Madhuri Dixit in a cameo in the film.
That has to be seen. अभी तो आस्ता दी एंड भी पूछ लेंगे, इंटरवल भी पूछ लेंगे, पता लगा पूरा स्क्रिप्ट आ गया आपके हाथ में. आप आस्ता धोती पकड़ के रमान पकड़ के धोती मत पकड़िए.
Thank you, Dubai.
सस्पेंस रहने दीजिए.
One last question.
Yes, Ambani sir.
हाँ बोलो. सवाल मेरा है कि आपकी अगर दौर की बात करें, अगर आप तो कौन ये रोल के लिए परफेक्ट होगा? और लॉन्ग रणवीर सिंह या रणबीर कपूर, आपको क्या लगता है?
कोई
नहीं सकता.
कोई और ये कह ही नहीं सकता, कोई टीचर बन ही नहीं सकता.
बोलना था अबे मैं क्यों नहीं.
इसका जवाब तो यही मिलना था दोस्त. Okay. Ma'am, one last question. आइए Alice.
My question is for Alice Peter from Amarasi. Hi. With an ever-evolving industry like this one, what is the question that you have for us?
We just want to tell out great stories. We want to respect the old cinema, and we want to integrate the new age technology and the newer style. But we want to maintain everything as it is. But great stories with modern excellence. That's what we're looking at.
gracing the occasion, gracing the evening. Excitement, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing. अच्छा लग रहा है इसको. Yes, we're loving it. ना बनता है मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं? No, no. Can we have it like one more time, please? Karan sir, I have here few of course. I know. We'll all settle down. We'll do that. Do you want to make it official? You know what we were just talking कि अभी इतनी बार तुमने कभी कोई ट्रेलर नहीं चलाया है. यहाँ पे हम टीजर इतनी बार. You want to make it official? Yes. Gaurav, thank you so much for being here and of course doing the honors. Yeah, बनता है. Even if Gaurav like of course, Gaurav Subin, a man who is looking handsome today.
I also want to thank the people behind the scenes for this beautiful cut. I want to thank Gaurav, Paras, Ankur. Thank you. You guys worked day and night to make such a fantastic product. Thank you for believing in Subhashji, believing in the vision, and thank you for taking Kalnaik further. I think you guys have all grown up seeing Kalnaik. Thank you. Thank you guys.
चोली के पीछे वाला बजेगा कि नहीं है? ये रहना चाहिए ना. ऐसा कन कोई ले लेंगे भाई. ए रतन बैठ. नहीं सवाल.
Kumar sir, thank you so much for being here and for all the blessings. And thank you so much. Subhash sir के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Subhash, right. Next. Manita ma'am, one picture, of course. The two of you. Yeah.
ए रतन. भाई भी जा रहा है, भाई भी मचा ये बहुत ये जी भाई भाई बोल buy one get one free okay okay done okay बाबा चलो हाँ मार दो बाबा मार दो उधर से जो नजदीक है मार दो बाबा मार दो तो अच्छा लगेगा चल हाँ मार उधर से जाएगा हमारे क्या क्या उधर ये रतन बैठे लाइफ आई डोंट नो इट्स भाई रोवे के पीछे वाला मत चालू है मालूम है ये ना हमें कौन सी है अच्छा Wait. That's not my turn.